What's up, everybody? It's Patrick here. So I ran into a bit of a snag when I was out fishing. My fish finder connector came loose inside the kayak, and no matter what I did, I tried doing all types of jerry rigging to it, couldn't get it to connect. So I was without a fish finder the last few times I've gone fishing. So what I was going to do was just buy a whole new wiring kit for the kayak. But my friend Mars, my partner in crime, sent me a link. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. More. He sent me this. It's from Southwind Kayaks. It's a connection kit for my fish finder. So, I went ahead and ordered it. I got this off of Amazon. It cost me about 22 bucks. And now, I'm about to go ahead and install it. As you can see, I've gotten some scissors so I can cut the wires down. Here's the connector right here. And here's my connections right here. And I also got some electrical tape somewhere. Oh, right here. So, we're going to go ahead and get this connected. So, we'll see how this goes. The only problem is I don't got nothing to crimp these wires, so I gotta do it with the scissor and be super careful because I've actually cut into the wire. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Yeah. Just being careful. Neighbor's dog barking at me. My dog crying. Patches. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Easy. Perfect. Ow. That was nasty. Alright, here comes the next one. This is my first time doing this, and I won't say I'm the most skilled when it comes to it. Actually, I'll be upfront, I suck at it. But you can only get better as you do it. I think I'm through. I'm not. Wait a minute. There we go. Alright, so now I got both wires taken care of. So now I got both wires taken care of. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead, connect the two, and you stick them in here, and you twist, and it'll make the connection. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so I don't know how this is going to work out. That. Oh crap, this is actually kind of hard. See, I twisted. Connection made. Keep twisting until it gets all the way down. And then we're gonna hit it with some electrical tape. Kind of waterproof it a little bit. secured right there. And I dropped my electrical tape down here. And now we'll do the same thing for the other wire. Move. Twist this so I can put them together like that. Stick it in. Start twisting. Didn't mean that, but whatever. Oh crap. I didn't realize there was glue in there. See, there's actually a little bit of glue in there. So, but again, I'm going to do the same thing I did to the red one. If I can find out where I cut this thing. Said last one, you know, just help give it a little bit of waterproof seal to keep water from getting in there. Voila. I have now connected them both back together, as you can see. So now we're gonna get the fish finder and see if it works. Fish finder, my battery. Here's the connector. I'm being a bit of a pain right now. There we go. Connect it. Oh, man. It's been a while since I've boot this sucker up. Alright. And there we go. My Lawrence fish finder is back on. God dang it. My fish finder is now ready and able to be used. And as usual, it didn't take me long at all to get this done. So, hopefully that help everybody who might have messed up their fish finder, you know. And thanks for watching.